This is T Balakrishna, chemistry lecture, GPT Kottagudem. Topic solution, part 3.2. Concept is mole concept. We already learned the definition of mole concept, the amount of substance containing the same number of particles as the number of amount present in 0.012 kilograms or 12 grams of carbon. Or mole is the quantity of substance that contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. Here 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles is called Avogadro number. Mole. The term mole can be used for atoms, molecules, ions, electrons also. The relation between mole and weight of the compound is given by the following equation. The number of moles is equal to weight of the compound in grams by GMW of the compound. Here GMW means gram molecular weight, or N is equal W by GMW. N is equal W by GMW. N is equal number of moles is equal weight of a gram, weight of molecule by gram molecular weight. Mole. So we have a simple diagram to understand the what is a mole. Here 6.022 nothing but 0.23 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. 0.23 atoms is equal 1 mole, that is called molar mass. If you are represented in mass, that is called molar mass is equal 1 mole, that is equal to the 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particle. That is the relation between Avogadro number and mole and mass. When you know the simple relation, if you when you know the simple relation between these three concepts, we can easily solve the many problems in molar concept. So right here we are observed 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon is equal 1 mole. The molar mass of the carbon is 12 grams. 12 grams of carbon nothing but 6.03 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, that is nothing but 1 mole. 1 mole means 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 particles of carbon, and also it is expressed in 12 grams of carbon also. That is an example for how to explain the atoms. So it is an example for particles. 1 mole of any particle, maybe it is an atom or molecular ion, whatever it is, atom or molecular ion. So 6.023 into the power of number of particles means if it is an atom or molecular ion, that is equal to the relative mass of those particles. If you consider the atom, you consider the mass of the atom. If you consider the molecule, if you consider the mass of the molecule. So mass of the molecule is sum of the uh, atoms which are present in the molecule. Some of the weights are mass of the atoms which are present in the molecule. Ions. Okay. So that is relation. Next to 1 mole of molecule. 1 mole of molecule is equal. So that molecule 6.023 into 10 to the power of number of that molecules is equal 1 mole. So it is represented in molar mass. Represented in mass, that molecular mass is equal 1 mole. In last part we explained H2SO4. H2SO4 weight is 98 grams. 98 grams is equal 1 mole. That weight, molecular weight is equal 1 mole. Atom weight is equal 1 mole. That is mass. Mass is represented in grams. That is called atomic weight. Okay. AMU, atomic mass units. Weight is equal grams. Okay. That is atomic weight. Clear? It is very important chart to understand the molar concept. Okay, here 6.023 is equal atomic weight. Yeah, 6.0 is into molecular particle is equal molecular weight. Atoms is equal atomic weight. So that is a very very important relation. Next, some model problem. Calculate the number of moles present in 1 kilogram of sodium. 1 kilogram. Our aim is to find out the mole. First, you note down the given data. Weight of the sodium is equal 1 kg. The given data is 1 kg. But here in our formula, weight is present in grams. So gram molecular weight also, gram GMW means gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight definition is molecular weight represented in grams. So this always be represented as weight in grams. So here 1 kg is converted into grams. So gram molecular weight of sodium hydroxide is sodium atomic number is 11. So weight is 23. Atomic weight or atomic mass. Carbon oxygen atomic number is 8. Weight 16. Hydrogen atomic number 1. Weight also 1. So it is total 40. Our aim is to find out the number of moles. What is the formula? W by GMW. So weight is equal 1000 grams and gram molecular weight is 40. We'll get answer 25 moles. The number of moles is equal 25. Simple calculation, simple formula. First, you know the how to calculate the gram molecular weight. Atomic weight, some of the atomic weights of atoms present in the molecule. Okay, right? Right. Next, take another problem. The simple problem. Calculate the weight of 2.5 moles of sodium carbonate. Compare with last problem, they give the weight and our aim is to find out the mole. But in this problem, um, calculate the weight. They give the mole. In this problem, we have a mole information, but find out the weight. There is a difference between previous problem and this problem. Okay, in this problem, our aim is to find out the weight of sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Uh, Na2CO3. If you want to solve the problem, you know the first molecular weight of sodium carbonate. So first you find out the molecular weight of sodium carbonate. How to find out the sodium carbonate molecular weight? Sodium, it contains two sodiums, one carbon and three oxygen. So 2 into what is the atomic weight of sodium? 23. 2 into 23, 46, and carbon atomic number 6, weight 12. Next oxygen atomic number 8, weight 16. So 3 into 16, 48. We'll get total amount is 106 grams. Okay, right? Next one, a number of moles is 2 moles. Number of moles is equal to 2.5. 2.5 or 2 moles. What is the problem? 2.5 or 2 moles. 2.5 moles. Number of moles is equal to 2.5 moles. The printing mistake is there. So next, so n into GMW. So 2.5 into 106 will get 265 grams. Simple answer is the printing mistake is the number of moles is 2.5. Okay, right? Next one, uh, some model problems. You want to solve you. First problem, calculate the weight, find the number of moles, and calculate the number of moles. The first one is you convert the formula. Okay. Uh, So calculate the weight of 2.5 moles. Find the number of moles are present in 34 grams of CaSO4 and calculate the number of moles present in 900 grams of glucose. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.